I literally changed my outfit and everything so I can be more comfortable, so we can be productive and get this room together. I'm joking, no, not joking, but not, I mean, like, my room is just a mess, and this is not the room tour. My room is just ridiculously a mess, and I can't take it anymore. We're gonna actually break this up in sections. So honestly, let's start in the bathroom first because I feel like that's much easier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get everything, I'm gonna come in my room and just get everything that actually belongs in the bathroom and put it in the bathroom, and then we just go from there, from organizing and all that other stuff, because everything is just out of whack and I frankly cannot take it. I mean, my bed is a mess and my room just looks a hot mess. Like, and as I said, I cannot take it. I'm sick of sleeping in my bed with clothes and towels and all this other crapiola in my bed right next to me. Like, I just can't do it. The only thing I want next to me is either my pillows or my stuffed animals that I keep on my bed. Okay. So this nail polish I want to keep in the bathroom. This is the stuff I just pulled out. And this goes in the bathroom, this goes in the bathroom, this goes in the bathroom. Hey guys. Alright, so now we're in the bathroom and we're gonna just clean my bathroom and get it together, get it more organized, because having all this stuff in my sink is just not okay, especially because if anyone needs to use the bathroom and they're a guest in my house, bathroom that's here is mine. So yeah, because we only have 2 bathrooms and the other bathroom is in my dad's room. I don't know how this became a cleaning video, but I guess it's my productive video. So right now I'm just taking everything out of these drawers that I have, and we're gonna just restart it. Restart and reconquer, because as I told you, this is a mess. In my bathroom, I have these 3 drawers right here, which I, like, when we toured the house, I absolutely loved the bathroom. So I'm gonna put my pads here, just in case, you never know what happens. I have extra bars of soap just in case if someone needs it or if I need it. So I'm going to actually just keep my bars of soap right here. Just getting my rubber bands. And over here on the last drawer, this is where I put my hair stuff over there. And then this is my edge control, and I'm going to put that over there too. These are my brushes. And I'm clean my brushes out too, or getting new brushes because my brushes are horrible looking. Like, it's absolutely disgusting. I have a lot of nail files that my mom gave me because I always ask for hers, and I'm just gonna put this in this drawer as well. Got me a case of wipes because I like to use wipes, and they're coming out. These wipes smell really good. I just got regular wipes, like baby wipes, and this is how I clean like my drawers and stuff out. Now this, so I put this in here. Besides the rubber bands, I also put hair accessories, so like clips and stuff, or these type of clips. I put them in here just so it's easier for me to find them. This area right here, like the middle section, is kind of like my miscellaneous, so like my nail files and all that other stuff. And I'll do a bathroom tour because my bathroom's a work in progress as well too, and I kind of want to give you guys that bathroom tour. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the bottom of my sink. I mean, it's semi-organized, if you want to call this organized. So I have my wig right here. So we're just gonna put that baby to the side. I have my apple cider vinegar and just all this extra crapiola in my bathroom. The funny thing, the reason why this says water on it, because I know that's why my mom was actually, like, she was curling her hair and she was using that bottle. She was using this bottle, this spray bottle, and she's over here thinking it's super hold, and every time she kept putting the curl in her hair, it kept like sizzing. Like, I totally forgot there was water in there, and she was just spraying her hair and kept spraying it, and I'm just like, why is it? In my head, I'm like, why does that thing keep sizzing? She was saying the same thing, and then yeah, I'm like, you know you're using water, right? And she was like, She was like, what did you do? And I was like, oh, I put water in that bottle. And she's like, no wonder I'm sitting here in my head sizzing. She's like, why did you do that? And I was like, because I needed a spray bottle for my hair. So I felt bad. I felt a little bad. I didn't feel too bad, but I felt bad enough. I was like, oh man, I didn't mean to do that to your mom. Because I didn't mean to let her head sizz. Right here, I have my pads right there, my overnights, and just like my day pads or whatever. And then I also have my panty liners and pads. I feel like as soon as I record myself, I be forgetting like what things are. Like I forget the names. So I'm just gonna put all this stuff back here. Actually move to the top. I literally have this full to the max. Like, it's honestly kind of ridiculous how full I have this. And then right here, this is like a foot petty scrub. So I really do want to keep it in here, but because I barely even have room up there, I'm actually gonna put it down here. My hair stuff actually has to come down here because I cannot fit anything else up there. So I'm actually gonna put this down here. Alright, so I kind of organized it just a tad, just a bit, just to make it look a little more presentable. So if anyone needs lotion, they can just go right here and just get your lotion. If y'all see this, that I have a random sock in here, don't think I'm crazy or anything. I use this sock. I actually cut it, and I use this sock to make a sock button. And then also I keep like my winter headbands in here as well too. I just cleaned my toilet and my toilet's all clean, and so now I'm just about to put this bag on the back of on the toilet seat. And here I have my speaker, some spray in case, you know, you gotta go, you gotta go. And I got my petroleum jelly and my soap. I might clean my shower later so I don't have to get it dirty twice. Like, it would make no sense for me to clean it and then go take a shower and then have to clean it again. So I'm actually gonna save my shower for later. So the next thing I'm gonna do, which is the last thing I have to do, is just mop and sweep and vacuum my bathroom, and that's pretty much the only thing I have to do in here. And then we can move on to my bedroom. We're gonna step out and we're gonna go my bedroom. So to make it easier to clean my bedroom, we're gonna actually start in sections, just to make it 10 times easier for me. So we're gonna actually do my bed. Just to make it easier on myself, because my bed should not look like a closet. Okay. I actually am gonna put my jeans here because that's where I have my jeans at. So my jeans are gonna go there, and yeah, so I'm gonna turn on some music so I can clean a little bit faster, because I feel like if I don't have music on, I feel as though I clean slower. I don't know if that's just for me or you all go through it too, but like, I need to listen to music while I clean. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I do, and y'all just gonna watch me clean. Like, I hope this motivates you to clean your room, because we all have those days where we just like, we don't want to clean our room, and then we all have those days. Like, we all need to clean our room. We all do. It's okay. I feel you. I feel you. I don't like cleaning either. But sometimes we need to do a little spring cleaning. And even though it's not springtime, we need to do some winter cleaning. And that is okay. So, let's get started.
with demons, Satan, get thee behind ya. About to get fucked up a margarita with 2 limes, yeah.
When she just pauses like that. All right guys, so I just got done doing my bed. So my bed is all cleared off, as you can see. My closet is, I put my clothes away, not neat as well as I should have put them away, but they're put away. Okay, and now we're gonna move on to the next task, which is my desk, which needs help in itself, and then we're gonna get the recycling bin done as well too. So now we are at my desk, and my desk should not be this messy, like, honestly. Oh, side note, if you see this, I'm rough with myself, so if you see like a little scratch right here and guys are like, hey girl, you got something on your chin, no, I'm just very rough and my nails can be very sharp, and I'm violent with my nails and my face. Like, I literally just claw myself because I don't even realize that I do it. Like, I remember this one time, I can talk to you guys while I'm getting my desk together. I remember this one time that I literally, when I'm tired, I tend, which is really weird, like, don't think I'm crazy or anything, but like, I tend to like get, like, I'm just like itchy, like I just start scratching myself out of nowhere, like I'm just like, what's wrong with me? And it's because I'm tired. And if you see me do that, like, it's because I'm exhausted, like I need to go to sleep. For my nails, I usually let my nails grow, and I tend not to bite them. I only bite them if, like, I feel like they're jagged and I want to fix them myself, or if something's bothering me, then I will bite them. But 9 times out of 10, I usually don't bite my nails. I usually just let them grow and do whatever they do. Woke up one night, no, not one night, I woke up and I went downstairs and I went to go talk to my mother, and she was like, and she was talking to me, and she was like, hold up, hold your head up. And I hold my head up, and honestly, it looked like I was attacked by a cat. It's literally what my neck looked like, because it looked like cat scratches on my neck. And my mom kept asking me, she's like, what is wrong with your neck? Like, what did you do? And I was like, I must have scratched my neck and was like, just clawed myself. So my spirit is a cat, because apparently I tend to scratch myself. I don't know. My floor in my room is just horrible. So this needs to go in the trash. This needs to go in the bathroom. This, I don't know what the other area is. This needs to go over here. Bathroom. Actually gonna put this. So I actually have Dunkin' coupons, which I actually need to put in my wallet, which, yes, I am a Dunkin' person and I'm a Starbucks person. I actually like both. Before, I used to not be a fan of Starbucks, but now I actually am obsessed with Starbucks too, so I like both. And as I said, this is like my miscellaneous stuff. This is for like my LED lights, and I think once I transfer my LED, the ones I have up there to my bedroom at my mom's, I'll take this stuff out. But right now I'm not doing any type of transferring yet, so that could stay there. That basically in my room to do is just mop and vacuum. So that's what I'm going to do now, is just mop and vacuum, even though I vacuumed before. So I'm just probably gonna mop now. Like the floor wasn't as dirty as I expected it to be. It's actually a little clean, so that's pretty good. Yeah, so alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here because oh my goodness, I filmed a lot, and I'm gonna go take a shower and fix dinner and all that other good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy 2021. I know it is late on the New Year's type deal, but I had to put it out here just to give it to you guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to me. Videos come out Wednesdays and Sundays.